It's the. Give me what?
I want one. I want to buy enough for something.
What is?
I'm
What do you want to buy? What do you want to? Okay, I got.
Oh my god!
I got.
Coconut is my kids.
Oh, come on. Bro, I was about to give you something. Hey, yo!
No, that's your girlfriend.
Nah, it's not my fault. It's John Dill's. It's John Dill's fault. Don't ask me.
Yes, I got that from my egg. Yes! Come on. Luffy, you're going. Why should that Luffy? Luffy, you're going. Bukan, dia belum lagi ini.
Hell no, my Ember Lily. Where is my Ember Lily? Oh, that is. Guys, my beanstalk is growing. We all will miss this bee, the queen bee.
That pepper is so big.
I don't know how to collect it.
From the top.
How to do it? I'll make you feel better by going.
And then,
Okay, I'm going to give it to you.
whoops, no, me. Oh my, whoops. Ryan, please.
Okay. Oh, it's so much kg. Remember, stay away from me.
You would know. How giant is the master spinner?
Oh, wait.
Oh my god, look at my sugar apple.
Yo, why am I holding my pee-pee? Wait, where's my sugar apple? I forgot.
Where did she put it? Why is it so realistic? Yes!
No, it's not realistic.
Look at the clouds, Ryan.
How?
Look at Jandel. Guys, look at Jandel.
Oh! John Doe!
We should practice
We love you. Hey, yo! Why is it like censored? Oh, we should cry. Guys, you have to cry out loud.
because of...
Not right now. Not right now. It want to make me cry. I'm going to save my cries for later.
What?
It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes.
And the last
the street. Tacos, all you can eat. Lettuce and shells, cheese and meat. It's raining tacos. Yum, 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 yum. It's like a dream. Yum, 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 yum,
The only good one is the pumpkin, so I will buy the pumpkin.
It's raining tacos. Raining tacos.
Oh, the song of the raining tacos, she said.
It's raining tacos. It's raining.
Guys, save your cries for later. I'm about to record the what? I'm not doing it for free. I'm just.
It's raining tacos.
Luffy is holding pure.
Enough for that. 2 times? Bro, that's fire.
There's a pepper seed too.
Pepper seed. Buying the whole stock. Stop buying that.
No! I need. I need the.
Guys, what about Wait, how many people are in Canada again? I forgot. More than 18 million.
I'm about to cry if the cream. I'm about to cry. You have one more spaceship. Thank you. It's a strawberry buns.
It's here.
Right now?
No, in 9 minutes. Tengokku biglang layan.
Oh, I have 21 million.
I have so many galactic things. Yo, look at my mushroom.
What goes up must come down. Wait, what do you think? What goes up but must come down? Oh wait.
Oh, that's us. We go up.
But we go down.
How does that feel? I remember.
Are you going to the seat?
I'm ready to jump. I see them. There's sacrifice. Yo, we jump so high. I'm trying to grab every single fruit I can. So I have more galactic fruits.
Oh, it has 14. Never mind. It's just a joke. I knew it. It was just a joke.
But yeah, I
sacrificed myself to save everyone.
Just give me this coconut.
I got
Can you give me this next stock? Oh, Lemon, can you please give me this rainbow? After this gold disco.
Okay, what's the next stop?
I haven't told this. Lemon, run it.
We're going to be told. I hope it's something good like
Lemon don't have money.
like the beanstalk.
Let's get one. Why do you want to get them so bad? Baruta, mga nagsukuan to bali. Anything. You're so greedy. Baruta, greedy. Bukan, Baruta, wait na payaminta dari lukman lagi sama namanya.
Oh, guys, we got. Guys, we should wait. Yo, the Echo Frog helped my coconut. I love him.
Yo, my pepper got the sun god Zendel in a mutation.
Oh, sun god mutation.
Heavenly.
Guys, I wanna keep the disco fruits. After the update, I'm going to keep it. Guys, we're about to cry. Okay.